Over 90 million tons of waste is generated in Africa per year and is estimated to reach 160 million tons within 5 years. Over 600 million Africans don't have access to electricity. Over 200 million people experience hunger and are chronically undernourished. Over 100 people die every hour, and over 100,000 children die every year due to poor water. In an era where global concerns about sustainability are peaking, a global sustainability network has never been so crucial. Sustainable development in Africa is seeing a range of challenges which impacts on the environment, economic prosperity, the health and well-being of Africans. These challenges, however, provide huge opportunities to facilitate the co-design, co-development and co-delivery of sustainable initiatives and solutions which directly address the UN Sustainable Development Goals. This can be achieved through collaboration, the development of strategic partnerships, and growing a global network. The Center for Global Eco-Innovation, based at Lancaster University, is at the heart of this expanding network focused on real transformational change.
Eco-innovation needs to be community-driven if we're to develop inclusive solutions where people and planet prosper. Collaboration is the guiding principle for us at the Centre for Global Eco-Innovation. Connection drives innovation, and forging links between industry, government, citizens and researcher is absolutely central to what we do at the Centre. Only by working together in equitable partnerships can we break down the barriers to building a better future.
Universities across Africa working with businesses will be key drivers of eco-innovation. This is why the Center for Global Eco-Innovation was established at the University of Benin in partnership with Lancaster University. Since then, we have focused on the conversion of waste to energy through a £7 million recycling and £800,000 actual translation project funded by the UK government's Global Challenge Research Fund.
1.3 billion people live in Africa, and this will nearly double by 2050. That is a lot of mouths to feed. If we already struggle with food insecurity, it means that we need community-based innovative ecosystems and collaborative research that addresses our food challenges in practical ways. This is our mandate at the Africa Innovation Institute. However, to ensure progressive outcomes, the role of government cannot be overemphasized.
Governments can implement policies that limit the causes of climate change, but we need the right strategies to support those policies. That means new ways of generating and using energy, managing water, and dealing with waste. Commercial companies, including small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and specifically innovation-driven enterprises, IDEs, will be key players in delivering new eco-innovative products, services, and technologies.
Resource-based economies are common throughout Africa. In the copper belt mining sector here in Zambia, there is a huge need for innovative capacity building to ensure inclusive, resilient, and sustainable low carbon recovery and economic growth.
As a university, working in partnership with government, businesses, and civil society, we are able to create innovation ecosystems. Research is able to move beyond the publication of papers as output and into the creation of impact in society. Our students play a vital role in this.
The Centre for Global Eco-Innovation has supported companies through graduate and postgraduate research projects lasting up to 3 years, driving forward eco-innovative products and services through industry links.
I believe that partnership is everything. The maintenance of international collaborations and mutually beneficial relationships through co-design and co-delivery binds our networks together. Over the last 10 years, we've established good working relationships with our African partners. From these collaborations, the Recirculate and Actuate projects have emerged from funding by the UK Government's Global Challenges Research Fund. These projects are incredibly rewarding and genuinely transformational. Lancaster's eco-innovative vision is making real progress and impact internationally.
The challenge is huge, but the opportunities are clear. The road is long, but the journey has begun. This isn't about incremental change. We should transform the ways that government, academia, industry, and society work together. By directly addressing the UN Sustainable Development Goals, we aim to address societal, technological, environmental, and economic challenges affecting Africa. We should focus our attention on the art of collaboration. Our network continues to expand. The impact is growing. Whatever your area of expertise, we can build a better future for everyone by working together. Join us.